Hello friend, welcome. Subscribe to see more videos. We tinted this car's windows. About the back window, if your car needs bodywork or painting, tell the worker to be careful with the grinder, near the glass. Grinding dust can show on tinted glass, so inform them to avoid this. The rest of the car is fine, but this part has a lot of dust. Let's check inside. Here's the inside view. This area is covered in dust. This part is fine, but this section is full of grinding dust. The other windows turned out great. We did a beautiful tint job. Let's look at the side together. Make sure the grinding dust doesn't go towards the glass. When this glass gets tinted, it will show all dust. Tell the worker to prevent this. All the windows are okay. It's just that part, from this point over, that has a lot of grinding dust. Go check the inside as well. Here's the inside view. You can see this area is covered in dust. This part is fine, but this section is fully covered in grinding dust. The other windows were okay. They turned out great. Let's take a look at the side together. Sit inside the car and check the visibility from the inside together. This area is covered in dust. This part is fine, but that section is covered in grinding dust. Other windows are great. We did a beautiful tint job. Now let's look at the side. Let's sit inside and check visibility from this angle. Visibility is excellent. This glass part got scratched outside, but overall visibility is impressive. Here's the back. Let's look from outside. Execution percentage. Let's get in the car and check the clarity, this percentage together. The visibility is incredibly professional and really excellent. Unfortunately, this part of the glass seems to have gotten scratched from the outside while rolling up and down, but overall, the visibility is outstanding and very impressive. Now let's take another look at the back window from the outside together. This is the execution percentage. It's a 25, so you can see the clarity, 50-60%, which is a very good percentage. I highly recommend this to our customers because it's kind of like, as you can see, it's black from the outside, but from the inside it has acceptable clarity. The only problem with this car was the rear window, which unfortunately happened. It's not like every car we smoke has to come back for airing 3 days later. Now, for example, look at this. The tint is wet all around. They need to come back 3 days later for the ventilation to be done. Let's take a look from a distance as well. It turned out to be a really beautiful and nice job. Congratulations.